All right, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We got a quick video today for you. Just doing a real brief update on the top five cryptos of the channel, as well as the viewers requested coins. I think we could add at least one more at the end of the video, so please watch the whole video in its entirety to be able to get that last viewers requested crypto that we're adding to the list. We got quite a few now, but we're just gonna gradually put them into our rotation. So let's get right into it. Right now we got the market cap pulled up here, Coinmarketcap that is, and the total market cap for crypto universe is 1.9 billion. um this has gone up a bit, and it's looking to hit the 2 trillion mark, and I think it will eventually get to that range. But right now it's just continuing to show extreme health in the market as it goes up. And if we look at the BTC dominance right now, it's down to 56.8%. um my thoughts on the dominance is, the lower it gets, the better for altcoins. And we're going to start off with an altcoin, which is DENT. And DENT is the channel's one of the channel's top five cryptos. And DENT has come a long way. And for those who are new to the channel, please like and subscribe. We're giving away jewels on this channel for free. The information that we give is basically free, and all we ask is that you hit that like button. And if you're new, please subscribe so you can get you can get in line for these hot cryptos right now. And we got DENT pulled up here, and DENT currently sitting number 67 on Coinmarketcap. um we know this is the first page, and one of the benefits of DENT being on the first page is that not only, you know, typically when new people come into crypto and they're looking for cryptos, they're going to go to Coinmarketcap because that's the most commonly used platform to get the price action on these cryptos. And then what happens is, if they specifically don't know a crypto, they're going to want at least the cheapest crypto out there to begin with. That's just natural. Let alone if they have information, like if they're subscribed to a channel such as Digital Stackers. Of course, they're going to go hunting for cryptos such as DENT, which is now at 0.17. So, this is over a penny and a half, when basically about 2 months ago, this was less than half a penny. So it has gone up tremendously. DENT has. Volume is really healthy now, in 100 millions. So we like to see heavy volume like that. The market cap has gone up tremendously from where it was at one point. And we just like DENT. All the fundamentals of DENT is working in DENT's favor. They have a lot of new updates coming. And you know there is just so much potential for this crypto, because they do have a legitimate use case for their crypto. It's just not, a crypto with payments capabilities and things of that nature. This is actually a crypto with, it has some meat on the bones. And if you are a crypto enthusiast, please check DEN out. It's a very good crypto. And we're going to keep it pushing on to the next one, which is Tron. So Tron is one of our original OG top 5 of this channel, and Tron currently coming in ranked number 21 on Coinmarketcap. Price point at this moment is 9 cent, a little bit over 9.5 cent, looking to touch that 10 cent range. And if you um go back to previous videos when we mentioned Tron, um, you know, this next step for Tron is the launch pad. So you're gonna have Tron, and this is not financial advice, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just simply, giving my perspective on these cryptos, and please do your own research and due diligence when you're dealing in this space, because it's a very, very volatile and dangerous investment place to be in. So please do your own research and due diligence. But like I was saying, Tron is currently at the launch pad stage, where the next couple of moves for Tron are gonna be chunks. This not gonna just 1 cent, 1 cent a week, 1 cent every 2 days like it has been, but it's going to start moving to like really put itself amongst the top 15 cryptos. So look for that heavy move from Tron. But we all know Tron is one of those cryptos that a lot of people just don't pay attention to, because it's already done pretty much everything that any other crypto has done. It's able to do those things. And I think people get turned off because such a young CEO, Justin Sun, he's really, really young. um, and I don't think that they really, really give Tron its flowers, because Tron is a solid crypto, and to me, it's just been one of those consistent cryptos that continue to go up. But we're gonna keep it pushing to the next crypto we have on the list, and this is another top 5 of the channel, and that's Electroneum. Electroneum is sitting rank 222 on CoinMarketCap. It has fell from the graces of the first page, but this will be back. It'll be amongst the Verges and the IOSTs of the world real soon. But that doesn't mean the price action hasn't been delivering solid gains as of late. And that has been happening with Electroneum. So we look at the volume right now, and the volume is sitting at 2 million. So it's double, well, a little bit more than double its usual 24-hour volume. So we like to see that. We already know that it's already out of the ROI. Yep. So it's 197% on the ROI. And that's still early in the game. It's still a lot of meat on the bones for Electronium. And it's going to continue to rise. I expect nothing less than straightforward for Electronium. They have a new situation where you can shop on Amazon and I believe it's Walmart, various other big name retail chains, and you can use Electronium through a certain website. I'm gonna have that information available, so please hit that notification bell, because I'm going to drop another video real shortly with all the news relative to these coins. This is just a quick video, just giving some price action on the coins right now. But I'm going to drop a full-fledged news video, and I have quite a bit news for all of these cryptos, and I'm going to get that to you. It's going to be relatively soon, so just be on the lookout for that. And let's just continue on to the next crypto, and that's gonna be Kincoin. So we have Kincoin right now pulled up, currently ranked 126 on Coin Market Cap. Now, Kincoin has been going up too. This is another one. All of these cryptos have been going up. If I was to say how the market is, I can say you can throw some change at any of these cryptos, and you probably be in profit. It's just the market is very healthy right now. But that's not to say specific cryptos are not giving out huge gains. So it's a difference between making a 5 or 10% gain, and it's a difference when you get a 73% gainer. That's going to feel a little bit more better than the 5 to 10% gain. And there's nothing wrong with those gains. We like those gains too, but I'm just saying if you're in the right cryptos, you're going to get substantial gains. So we got Ken pulled up. It's 218 on Coinmarketcap. Price action right at this moment is 0.003503. Now, it's down 5.98% today, but Ken has been on a tear and had, I did this video yesterday. You could have seen that it was up over 20%. So this is a little sell off right now. Currently, we having, but it's good. Everything like this is normal and it's good for the market. But that's not to say that this coin um currently, I believe, at certain stages, cryptos that we looked at in the past that was at this price action, this coin is outperforming them had they been, you know, at the same price point, at the same time. Ken would have, outperform even the top five of this channel cryptos. Some of those that were in this same price action, the volume is way more for Ken right now. The market cap is way higher for Ken right now. And it's this is a powerful piece. I like it. I like the project. 275 currently delivering on ROI, and you know Ken is just really good, and we're going to keep it pushing on to the next coin, and that's Dentacoin. So we have Dentacoin pulled up here. Dentacoin currently sitting rank 569 on Coinmarketcap. um it's been crawling up the list, still in the back, but crawling up the list. I still have a lot of faith in Dentacoin. Um, right now it's at 0.0000. That's four zeros after the decimal nine, and it's kind of going back and forth from nine to actually 301, and it's struggling. So it seems to have hit some heavy resistance at this price point. But it has to break through. Once it breaks through, it'll take off. It'll take off pretty nice. So Dentacoin is still looking good. And for those of you out there who tend to get it mixed up, Dent Coin and Dentacoin are two different projects, two different cryptos. Okay. So, yeah, most of you who come into the comment section and you try to correct a title or something that was said in a video in comparison to these two cryptos, they're different. I'm talking about two different cryptos. Okay. So please don't get that confused, because that can be a mistake that you're making to, possibly prevent you from making heavy profits. So we're going to keep it pushing. Let's check the ROI on Dentacoin. Currently 173%. Really early in the stages for this still. Volume still sitting kind of heavy at 1 million. It's usually around 200,000. So it's crawling up there. So it got to continue to crawl, but we're going to continue to keep it pushing to the next one. And that is BiteCoin. Now, BiteCoin is a viewer's requested coin, and we added this coin, I think about a video ago. So it's still new to the rotation. But since it's been added to the rotation, it's gone up tremendously. So, um, shout out to all of those who gathered some bags in this crypto when we first introduced it a video or two ago. You probably are now in profit. So shout out to you. The volume on it, it's shown that it's gone up, but this is still, we seen cryptos at this volume, level before, but it's still a little low. It's still a little low. Price action is 306. That's three zeros after the decimal six. Today up 13.66%. So BiteCoin has been doing its thing. We really haven't put a full-fledged, segment on this coin. So when we introduce that news video that we got coming up here shortly, we'll add BiteCoin to it and try to get some info or at least browse through the website if we haven't done that already. But yeah, that's what we'll do. And let's just take a real quick peek at the ROI for BiteCoin. And currently it's sitting up 946% so far. And that's not bad. Still early, still a lot of potential. That this ROI can go in the hundreds of thousands of percentages. So, you know, if you ever see a ROI for crypto and it's, in the thousands and you're wondering if it's still a good idea to get in, you just have to know where the crypto is. It can be 1,000% still in the early stages of growth. So, you got to know where the crypto is, um, as far as the project, what it's doing. If it has some legs to it, you can get on for a ride. But some cryptos really don't have too much going on, so it's kind of difficult to determine if you want to get involved. But let's keep it pushing on to the next, and we got HoloChain pulled up here. So HoloChain is currently number 31 on Coinmarketcap. Now, this is a viewers requested coin. This is why it's so important for crypto people to, network. That's why I encourage you guys to leave all cryptos that you're looking at in the comment section. I might not get right to them right away, but I do tend to go through the comment section and look for those cryptos and try to at least vet them and check them out. And if it's something good, I'm going to bring it to the people. So put them down in the comment section. They're very valuable. Don't think any crypto that you're looking at is not valuable. They're all valuable until we deem them not. So, here's one, a viewers requested one that was left in the comment section. We checked that out, and of course it has a large community, but you don't know about things until you know about them, right? So we got HoloChain pulled up here, ranked number 31. Price action currently at 2.5 cents. This coin was 0.0030 zeros after the decimal when we introduced it, a few months back. This thing has gone on a tear through the market, making its way on the first page, and it's amongst the big dogs on the first page, and it continued to climb over cryptos, climb over big name cryptos. So this this project, and a lot of people in the comment section, they left comments saying, hey, HoloChain's going to $1. um I can't say I don't see why it wouldn't, just based off of the website, the technology that is involved with this project and the way they're trying to, utilize the technology. I think that is very possible, especially these techie projects, that really don't have to have boots on the ground engaging with people, but it's more an application usage scenario. And man, that thing can take off. So this is up uh 45% today, but I think in a 7-day span, it's something like 200 and some change percentage gains. So that's like crazy. So let's take a look at the chart. We're gonna just dig a little deeper into this because it has no, I think if I'm not mistaken, every other day it's breaking new 52 all-time high. So here we go. Look, April 3rd, which is today, 2021, 4 hours ago, it just broke all-time high. So and it's every day it's breaking these all-time highs. So this thing can is it's like in price discovery right now. It's like in the realm of where Bitcoin was, as far as once it broke through the $20,000 range and it went into that discovery range mode. This is where HoloChain is right now. It just doesn't have a destination as of yet until it gets there. So, it can just soar and soar and soar, or it can just, reverse. So, definitely, if you're involved, you want to take some bags off the top. Make sure you secure some bags off the top, put them to the side, and continue to just ride this thrill coaster all the way to the last stop. So that's definitely a good look for HoloChain at the moment. And we're going to keep it moving on to the next. And the next one is Freecoin. So we got Freecoin pulled up here, another viewers requested coin. It currently sits way in the back of Coinmarketcap at 688. This is considered like a garbage coin, so to speak, but you know, it has some legs. It has some legs. This is a very tricky play, but it doesn't cost to get involved. You can sit a very low investment in this, very low. I mean, low as your exchange or the platform that you're using would allow you to go. You're able to get involved in this and get actual a lot of bags at the price point. Now, some might not agree, and I understand that argument. I never like, even if people put things in the comment section about coins that they don't like, oh, this is a garbage coin, oh, this is a shit coin. Well, you can say those things and I'll let them stay there. I wouldn't even bother to delete, to censor your voice, but you would have to have at least an argument to state that. Just don't put, hey, this is a shit coin, and then you leave. Nothing to, hey, this is a shit coin because this guy did this, the company stole this, or something happened that we could say, okay, maybe this is not a good idea to have in front of people that really don't know about crypto. So we want to put the right kind of content out. So just don't be trolling in my comments section talking about something is a shit coin when it's really not. It has potential, because people were saying that about DENT once upon a time, and now look at it. I'm pretty sure they eating their words right now. But so Freecoin is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 um zeros after the decimal. This is where it's at the range where DentaCoin was once. 5 zeros, 3. That's where we kind of found DentaCoin, and it has still a lot of potential as far as upside, but look at this substantial gain that it has already when it comes from October 6, 2020, 6 months ago. It was sitting on the floor. So I've had just difficulty keeping up with it because of the range of cryptos we already cover. So sometimes I can forget to add this in a rotation, and in that instance it would go up. So, but this is something to keep on your radar nevertheless, and we're going to just keep pushing on to the next one, and that's Cyacoin. So Cyacoin is another viewers requested coin, and since we've added this, I think we've talked about this when it was like at 1 cent, maybe a little bit under 1 cent. Now it's sitting at 3 cent, number 75 on Coinmarketcap. So it's doing really good. It's been really solid. So when we go over these cryptos that we already been over, and they're moving past the 1 penny range, sometimes they'll fall out of rotation on this channel just because, you know, once they get to 1 cent, and now it's a different ball game. It's a really different ball game as far as obtaining bags, because what was once a time where you could have got maybe a million bags, a million coins of something for a real low price. Now you're going to be paying, a real high price for once it hit over that 1.1 cent range. So I still try to bring micro cap cryptos to this channel, but to be honest with you, it's getting scarce now to find them because, you know, I at least try to find the ones that have a legitimate project backing it. So just because, it's a few zeros after the decimal, I won't get involved in every crypto that's a few zeros after the decimal. It has to have a legitimate project behind it in order for me to want to obtain bags, because at the end of the day, you can put your money in some of these cryptos and just like that, the snap of a finger, you can lose all your bags. So you still got to be careful. And that's what we try to continue to bang away at. That's just being careful with your money, being careful with your cryptos, the same thing. So we're going to keep it pushing on to the next. I think we got another one that's Puma. Let me see. We got PumaPay. That's the name of it, PumaPay. Okay, so this is a viewer's requested as well. PumaPay is currently sitting 1067 on Coinmarketcap list. Uh right now it's at 0.0002 this is strictly from what I've seen, and I did a little brief research on it, and this is strictly payments. Their payments, something like Pundix. I don't think they have. I didn't look deep enough, but I didn't see anything where they had like Pundix. They had the payments point of sale device. So I didn't see if they had that, but I know that they are into payments, and damn near every crypto can tout payments because you can just make payments with their crypto. So like payments is a thing of like the past, really. So they really haven't developed too much on this platform, but nevertheless, it's just really a matter of if somebody wants to utilize them as their payments services. It's just somebody picking it up, and boom, this thing can have some legs to it. So right now it's sitting at 0.0003 zeros after the decimal two. And let's look at the ROI on it, see if we got anything good. Yeah, so look, ROI, here go a nice little piece. ROI is in the negative 76.43%, which means this is still at an early stage, and if you're new to the channel, like and subscribe. And if you are an OG to the channel, this 000 after the decimal, this is a good range for these cryptos to pop to the next digit, and that'll be two zeros after the decimal, and from there it starts to try to make it to 1 cent. So um that's just a quick rundown on some of these cryptos. We're gonna have another video with less cryptos or more news on specific cryptos that have news out. It's quite a few of them with some news out, so we're gonna get to that. And please like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Please like the video. Kudos and shout out to everybody who's been hitting that like button, getting those likes up. That helps tremendously with the visibility of the videos on our channel. So please hit that like button for me and help YouTube understand that we need to spread these videos out to get them to the people so that everybody can eat in this massive crypto. It's just a beautiful thing in crypto. NFTs is popping. I still would stay away from the DeFi section of things, but if you know how to navigate those shark infested waters, you still can make some nice gains there, but you still can just be a hodler and eat, So shout out to everybody who's eating right now off of crypto. It's a We all deserve this. It's been just three, oh my goodness, three long corrective red years in crypto. So to have these glimmers of green days and Bitcoin continuing to try to get higher and higher, it still got a lot of resistance at around 61,000. So yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one. Until then, I'm out.